my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I've already got my nail ready to go. So what I've used here, I've done the fibre gel tip extension and I have used Cameo fibre gel on this. It's a perfect background colour for what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to come, is your Fitbit just gone again? Mine's just buzzed.
Yeah.
So I'm going to come in and top coat this nail. Seal all of that in. Make sure you cap your ends. And then pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. So I've grabbed, well, I think actually, yeah, they're all from the Fairy Garden collection because they're such beautiful pastels. So I've got honeysuckle, I've got apple blossom, we've got cornflower, foxglove, and tulip. So a nice mixture of some gorgeous pastels. I am using my, where are we at? Ultra Fine 000. This is the dinky brush. I love it so much. I have got about 3 of these because I'm a bugger with brushes. Right, so we've top coated that, so there's no sticky layer on this. So we're going to do some embossing. I'm just going to do just a nice pretty floral design. It's up to you if you want to, words. You can do the whole design in one go and then cure it, or you can break it up into little sections. We're going to be doing a lot of petals on this, so we probably will need to break it down into sections of, let's top coat, I don't need top coat. Of which in that case you are going to need your clear acrylic powder to hand. So I'm going to leave that close by. Right, so I've got 5 colours that I'm going to be working with. So I'm going to be making 5 petal flowers. So I'm just going to start off with my first one. And we're just going to do a petal like that. It's as simple as that. Try not to knock it, Lisa. I'm going to grab my next colour. And I'm trying to be mindful of not going too thick with it, which I think that is. If it is, wipe your brush off and just come back in there and you can scoop little bits off and then just wipe that off in some paper towel. If it's too thick, it will bubble in the lamp, which we don't want. Coming in with apple blossom.
I love this.
It's so pretty. Bringing that into the centre again. Next up is foxglove. I'm still undecided whether this is a purple or a pink. So I'm going to just get you to flip your hand over for me, please. And then bend. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is a purple or a pink. Let me know your thoughts. Just going to come back in on apple blossom. Just round the top of that off a little bit. Be very, very careful to not let these touch, otherwise they'll bleed into one another. I think I need a 6th colour. Got a bit of a gap there. Mush. Hold that thought. So I've just grabbed Orchid from the Fairy collection, which is a nice nice bright pink. And this will fill that gap in perfectly. So we're doing 6 leaves, 6 petaled flowers. Right, so make sure that you're happy with where all of these are positioned. Make sure that they're not too thick. Max, what's up? What's up? What? Someone's woke up with some energy, I think. Right, flip your hand back over for me, please, Sam. We are going to sprinkle this with some clear acrylic powder. Like so. And really, really soak that in. You can also do this if you've got a really fine iridescent glitter. Ooh, which I might actually include in some of this. Because I think that's going to look really pretty. Pop that in the lamp for me, please, Sam. Somewhere up here behind me in my magnificent wall of glitter, I have some iridescence. I'm going to throw some of that in, I reckon. Yeah! Right, so I'm not going to give this full cure just yet, but then I also want it to be a little bit longer than a flash cure. So maybe at about 15-20 seconds, which is where we're at now. That can come out, Sam. So give that a dust off. That will get rid of any excess powder so that we can move on to the next bit. Sam, it's so pretty.
It is really pretty already.
Right, so I always try and get at least one full flower. Obviously, you can do these a lot smaller if you want. I always try and get at least one full flower. And then what I'm going to do is like a partial flower down here and then some dots. I love some dots. So, back in. I'm going to try and get more than just a couple of petals in on this one, but bring that down to your point.
I do love that pink.
It's nice. What was that one? Orchid.
Orchid.
That's pretty,
like
that
a
one.
corally colour.
Yeah, really pretty. I'm not using these in any particular order, by the way. I'm literally just grabbing whatever is closest to me. So that one is Foxglove. I'll go back in with Apple Blossom. I love Apple Blossom. I love it so much. Not too thick with Apple Blossom. I think Apple Blossom is ever so slightly thinner than the other ones. Air bubble. Make sure you get that air bubble out. Or just add an extra 2 air bubbles. Go on, go away. Don't want you in there. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Might have room for a little bit more colour down on that bottom. Not a full petal, but a little bit of a petal. A little bit. There we go. Just going to bring those points in, make them nice and sharp. Okay, and back in with the clear acrylic powder to give that a nice matte finish. And that's always going to contrast really nice with the gloss underneath. Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please, again, Sam. Again, just about 20 seconds because we've still got more to do. So I've got a really, really pretty sparkly. You don't quite pick that up on the camera, but it's so, so sparkly. So all I'm going to do with this bit, I'm just going to do some dots of gel polish. Okay. Can't find my Nailchemy dotting tool, so I will use my crystal picker-upper because it's going to do the same thing. Right, dust off that excess glitter. And then I'm going to just get a little blob of one colour. Pop the lid on the yellow because we're done with it now. Another blob. Oh, we're with Apple Blossom again. Pop that there. The fluff. The fluff. I like the fluff. I'm slowly losing my marbles. I don't think I ever had them though, actually, you know. Let's pop you there. Oh, I love polka dots. They make me so happy. I think there's something very childlike about polka dots. Would you agree? Mm-hmm. Polka dots are very infant, aren't they?
They're also very on trend at the moment as well.
Do polka dots ever go out of fashion? I don't think they do. Is my headband polka dot?
No, it's stars.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Sure, you've got a matching cardie as well.
I have. You are correct. Oh, I'm glad we got all 6 colours on. This one over here. There. And I'm going to make these dots sparkly because I think that will be super, super, super cute. So this is a ridiculously fine glitter. Super, super, super fine. We don't want anything too... What am I looking for? A brush. Right there, look. When you're applying glitter to such a small amount like this, if the glitter is too chunky, it's just not gonna work. Right, so I'm gonna get that on there. Get on those 3. Oh, I kind of wish I'd done the whole thing with this glitter. Not to worry. Okay, pop that in the lamp for me, please. That needs a full cure now. Okay, once that comes out the lamp, we can give that a good dust off. Oh, look at that. That little bit of sparkle has made all that difference.
Oh, God,
I love that. And I don't know if you can actually get quite close up, but it is raised a little bit. And then obviously you've got that, what would you say, like a velvet feel to it. I love it. Let's go for banana. I love it that much. It gets the banana cuticle oil, my absolute favourite one. That's how much I love this nail.
Yeah, I really like it.
That's so super cute. It's borderline hippie, like flower power.
See,
Oh, I should have used the flower power collection for this. Flower power. But no, I'm really happy. Love those colours. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.